Are you constantly congested and feeling stuffy? You're not alone. Allergens, colds, and other illnesses can cause your nose to become blocked and make it difficult to breathe. But don't worry, you can clear your nasal passage quickly and effectively with these at-home remedies. Nasal congestion can be an inconvenient, uncomfortable, and sometimes painful experience. Fortunately, there are a number of tried and true natural remedies you can use at home to reduce it. The first thing you should do if you want to clear your nasal congestion is to use a humidifier in your bedroom. This will help to add moisture to the air so your nasal passages don't become too blocked or dried out. You can also take hot showers as the steam helps to clear congestion. You can also use a saline solution in your nose. Most drugstores sell pre-made solutions specifically for this purpose, but it is possible to make your own too. All you need is some purified salt and water. Simply mix the two together until a solution forms and then use a nasal expander to spray it in your nose. Another way to clear up nasal congestion is to drink plenty of fluids. Water, tea, and other natural beverages can help to thin out the mucus in your nose, making it easier to expel the congestion. If you are congested due to an infection, drinking warm liquids can also help to relieve some of the symptoms of the illness. Using a neti pot is also an effective way to clear out your nasal passages. A neti pot is a device that uses a saltwater solution to flush out your sinuses. You can buy a neti pot at most drugstores or health food stores and it is relatively simple to use. Just fill the neti pot with some distilled or purified water and a few drops of salt and tilt your head sideways into the bowl so that the solution flows through one nostril and out the other. You can also use essential oils to reduce nasal congestion. Just add a few drops of the essential oil of your choice to a cup of warm water and use a cotton ball to apply the solution to your nasal passages. Eucalyptus, peppermint, and menthol oils are especially helpful in clearing up congestion. You should also pay attention to your diet if you want to reduce nasal congestion. Eating a healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich food is key. Avoiding processed and refined foods as well as dairy products can also help to reduce congestion. Finally, if you're congested due to cold or allergies, there are a few over-the-counter medications you can take to help clear your nasal passages. Nasal sprays and decongestants can both be effective, but be sure to read the labels carefully before taking any medications. Nasal congestion is a common and uncomfortable problem, but fortunately there are a number of effective remedies you can use from the comfort of your home. Follow the tips outlined above and you will be on your way to clear breathable passages in no time. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.